Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial about Emaze. Emaze is yet another way to make a digital presentation, and I thought it would be great to share with you. So I'm already logged in. I just went to log in, and I logged in with Google, of course, and it kind of brings you to this dashboard. And you can see you could click on ones you've already done, ones you've shared, which is a great feature. You can collaborate with somebody on this, on an Emaze. You can explore for others. For now, let's just create a new one. The accounts, it's important to note, when you have a free account, it is public, so you don't want to put any personal information in these presentations. I would do just your first name and your last initial or something like that. And these are all the different kinds of things you can create. For our purposes today, we're going to create a presentation. And these are all the different templates that you can choose from. There's a lot on here. I'm going to go ahead and click on education. And as usual, oh my, we're just scrolling through here. You can always start from a clean slate if you're somebody that's extra creative. I'm going to choose one of my favorites, and it is this landscape one. It's a gallery, so I'm going to click, I can click preview if I want to see it first before I decide if I want to use it, and I know I do, but this is just an example of what it would look like. So once I decide that I want it, I'm going to click edit. And you can see these are all the different things that I can do. So I'm going to click on this, and let's say this is for a social studies project, so I don't really want a picture of art. I can go ahead and click on image. Let's say this is a project on Rome. So I'm just going to search the web for a picture of Rome, and there we go. And it's really neat because it puts it in a frame just like the other picture was. So I'm just going to put it right here. I can delete anything I want. I can edit the title if I want to. And I'm just going to call it Rome. Oops. You get the idea. It changes the, you can change the font that it is. I want it to be a title, nice and big. I can change the text over here. I can add my own text if I wanted, so it just adds a whole nother text box. I can add a video file or embed a URL from the web, so I could embed a YouTube video. I can add shapes if I want to. So then as soon as I'm done with that one, I can click add. And as you see, you can choose, it's kind of like PowerPoint in that you can choose what the next kind of slide or place you go to looks like. For this one, I'll just show you. So this is how you can kind of make it go through the hallway, and then you can just go ahead and keep adding right in order, and then you click on it and you can edit. So I can always go back or forwards and edit. If I decide I want to rearrange things, I can rearrange the order that it will go in. Again, add an image, add text. Hello. I can move my text to anywhere I want. And then I can go ahead and view and see if I like what I have so far, and take it through. And then it gives you the ability to share right from there. Let's say I'm not quite done, I need to go back, you just click on the edit. So you can, once you're done, you can save it. And I'm going to save it just as that. And notice it reminded me that it's private, or I'm sorry, that it's public, because it is. Anything that's the free account is public. I can download it if I want to. Okay. For our purposes, likely what you're going to do, just like with everything else, is share. You can share the link with your teacher. You cannot, again, it's reminding you that it's public. I can collaborate. So notice how it says simultaneous collaboration is not supported. So it's not like a Google Doc where my partner and I can be in at the same time, but I could certainly take a turn editing and then close out, and then my partner can open it up and collaborate. So that's it. I hope you try out Emaze. I think it's a really neat tool.